Suspect in all this, 66-year-old Shunli Zhao, made a brief appearance in a San Mateo County courtroom this afternoon. Our Wilson Walker was there, and he has new details on the investigation and the suspect's past.
7 counts of murder with special circumstances. That would mean a conviction would bring life in prison without parole or the death penalty, moratorium or not. Now, Zhao only appeared in court for maybe 5 minutes, hiding his face behind a piece of paper for most of that time. He only spoke to confirm his name through an interpreter, and he did not enter a plea. District Attorney Steve Wagstaff handled the hearing himself and spoke to reporters afterwards.
I would phrase it in this way. He was cooperative with the sheriff's detectives who did the interview. It was done through an interpreter, Mandarin interpreter, and my office was watching it from outside.
Wagstaff says his office is now diving into the suspect's past, including a 2013 civil case in which a co-worker asked for a restraining order accusing Zhao of trying to suffocate him with a pillow and threatening him with a knife.
And we certainly are, the sheriff's office is aware and looking to get all the precise detail on it.
As for the shooting investigation, there were several new pieces of information passed along.
There was a note inside the car. We're not revealing that at this point. The question was whether this is any evidence of copycat at Monterey Park, and we believe the answer is no to that. Not just simply we're not sure. We believe the answer is no.
Wagstaff went on to say his office believes they know a motive in the shooting, but he would not divulge that, saying the focus is now on the prosecution.
That's why from this point on, the sheriff's office will not be making public statements about the case. It will all go through my office, and we're going to do it very limited for the reason that we want to make sure that this man gets a fair trial, that the victims' families get justice through a fair trial, and that the case gets tried here in the community in which it was committed.
How long?
2 private defenders have been assigned the case. There is no public defender here in San Mateo County. Those private defenders say they need some time to speak with their client. The arraignment now scheduled for February 16th.
Meanwhile, Zhao is being held without bail. The DA's office says he is a Chinese citizen, but his immigration status is still unclear. They say he's been here in the U.S. for at least a decade.